What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew, Vic, and I got the JoJo leaning with me. And today we're going to show you some treasures that we found. And yeah, hit that like and subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And yeah.
One of the things we love about junk removal is not only is it an awesome business to get into where you can make over 6 figures a year, but as soon as you start doing junk removal, you become a modern day treasure hunter.
Now the whole reason why we made this video was because 2 days ago, this thing popped out of a recliner. So if you're an illegal dumper and you dumped this thing, I actually cleaned up an apartment complex where there were some mattresses, a couple recliners, and this bad boy fell out. So if you're on the channel and you're watching, you messed up, because check it out, $978. And this is the whole reason why we're making this video. So we got a bunch of treasures here we're gonna show you guys that we found throughout the year. And yeah, JoJo, let's get into it.
So this find came from a house clean out, and obviously the person was a music lover and they had other music things there. But this is a picture of the Beatles, and it is a limited edition, and it is a picture of them performing in Britain before they even came to America.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's been one of the best weeks finding treasures, and I found this bad boy doing a garage clean out in a senior citizen area, and check it out. It's an iPad Air, and it's kind of dirty right now, but yeah, it works. It's mine. JoJo got one now I got one. So yeah, we hauling and balling. You never know what you're gonna find when you guys are doing garage clean out, so always look in the boxes and bags. It's a must.
So obviously one of my favorite finds was these diamond earrings, and they're real diamonds. We found this doing a garage clean out. I was amazed at so many amazing things that this woman was getting rid of. And I also came across a bunch of purses, and inside the purses were gift cards, and I checked to see if they had money on them still, and they did. They had money on them, they had coffee on them, Starbucks. It was definitely check purses before you throw them out, because you'll find money, you'll find gift cards, there's just no telling what you'll find. And these earrings, they're real, they're genuine earrings. Even the case is velvet and beautiful. Don't you love junk removal?
Now check this find out. This happened about a year ago. Me and baby Jesus did a job for a realtor. Someone moved out, they left some stuff behind, and there was a bar. And inside the bar, these things were melted in the bar all the way around. They're silver dollars, if you can see. And the neighbor was actually eyeballing it, wanted it, but we took it, loaded it up, and look how old these are. 1889, 1926, 1882. This was a good come up. So yeah, got some silver dollars, all from a junk removal job.
Okay, so we were doing a garage clean out. A man's parents had passed away, and we came across all of these very vintage, old train set, and they're Lionel, and they're a very well-known brand of electric trains. And I looked them up, and every single one of these boxes is worth like between 20 bucks and 150 bucks. And as you can see, we probably have about 20 boxes, all filled with different, you know, some of it is tracks, some of it is trains, some of it is even like little animals that go on the train set. It's just, you never know what you're going to find in junk removal. People love this stuff and will pay really big money to have a complete set of Lionel trains.
Now check this find out. This is from a house clean out, and it's tobacco cards. I have no idea what these are worth, so when we go to Vegas, I'm gonna bring the Pawn Stars. If you guys can see, we got a whole bunch of them. I'm not sure if they're real, fake, or not, but yeah, we got a bunch of these. I haven't really looked them up. I haven't had time to. And we also got these old baseball cards too. We got Jackie Robinson. I think he's one of the first black African Americans that ever played professional baseball. So yeah, leave a comment down below what you guys think we should take to Pawn Stars when we go to Vegas. We got a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna show you guys some more stuff too.
One of our favorite finds was this, a MacBook Pro. We found this about 1.5 years ago doing a house clean out, and I'm so happy that we found it. Before junk removal, we could have never afforded to go into the Apple store and lay out, you know, the amount of money that you have to spend on a MacBook Pro. So that's what we have, and we use this now. We use this to edit things. We use it a lot with our YouTube stuff and doing our descriptions and our titles and our tags and answering you back when you leave comments. So yeah, junk removal opens up so many doors, and like I said, you are a modern day treasure hunter when you do junk removal.
Now you guys know I love vehicles. I got a bunch of vehicles at the house right now, and I also got these bad boys, these little Tonka Toys. Check this out, Green Giant Company. And look at this dump truck. Look at the bed. It's dumping, baby. And I got about 11 of these at the house right now, and I forget where I found them at, but you know what? I love collecting Tonka Toys, so I'm gonna put these in the yard when we buy a house. And I also got this Kenwood deck, brand new in the box. I can't believe someone was gonna throw this away. I'm gonna throw this in the Mustang, the 66 Mustang someday. So yeah, nice little finds.
Okay, we were doing a house clean out and came across this, and this is one of my absolute favorite finds ever. If you're a Dodger fan or a Tommy Lasorda fan, it's gonna be one of your favorites that you see today also. So this is something that was put together when Tommy Lasorda entered the Baseball Hall of Fame in 1997. So in it is a picture of Tommy Lasorda when he was younger. And actually, you know, it has him signed. He dated it in 97. And this is actually signed also, hand signed by Tommy Lasorda. Down here is a postcard of him that he also signed. And one of the most incredible things about this is at the, you know, party he had for when he entered the Hall of Fame. So many people signed this, congratulations, Tommy. And anybody who was anybody in baseball signed this. And there's even a signature, and we're unsure about this, but there is a signature right here that says Michael Jackson. Now, I looked up Michael Jackson's signature, and it is very similar to this. I don't know if there is a baseball player named Michael Jackson, but I did some research, and I do know that Michael Jackson and Tommy Lasorda were friends, and they knew each other. So I'm not sure. That could be Michael Jackson's signature there. But I just find this whole thing very, very interesting. And it really is one of my favorite finds. I have no idea what this is worth. I know it's worth something. I have no idea what it's worth, and someday I'm gonna find out, but I'm gonna hold on to this for a very long time.
Now, if you're from the Bay Area and you're an 80s baby, then you know who this is right here. Mark McGuire from the Oakland A's, and this is a limited edition, 66 out of 1,000. I grew up loving the A's, Mark McGuire, Jose Canseco. Yeah, this is just an awesome find, and we actually found this one at the same place we found that one right there. So yeah, I love it. I'm gonna put it in the man cave, and yeah, 66 out of 1,000. It's really autographed. I'm not sure who this is right here, if it's Mark McGuire or the person's house it came from, but yeah, nice little score.
So this is another find that we got by doing a house clean out, and it is Warner Brothers, a limited edition. And as you can see on the back, that sold for $100. And it's from 1993 Warner Brothers Animaniacs. So I love being a modern day treasure hunter because once again, you never know what you're gonna find. Sometimes you do a house clean out for people that love music, like me. I love music. So we came across this, and it's very original. Homemade, I don't know for sure, but down here you have, it's made of LPs, and it's all spread out. There's well-known album covers, so you have Ozzy Osbourne, Michael Jackson, Prince. You have Iron Maiden down here, so they obviously had a very eclectic taste in music. And there's guitar picks, and you know, a ticket from a concert they've been to. So they just added this stuff to a frame, and like I said, you never know what you're gonna find. This is an original thing.
Now, if you're a junk hauler, something you should definitely look into is getting a safety deposit box. We actually got one from our bank for $75 for the whole year, and it's a pretty good size. So I keep all of our gold and jewelry in there, but here's a few of them that we haven't put in there yet. If you can see, here's some gold teeth, which is pretty nasty. Couple little 14 karat medals, and also here's another job we did for Kendall Jackson. It says 925. I think it's gold plated. If you don't know who Kendall Jackson is, they own a winery and they sell wine. So we got about 100 of these. Check it out, all silver. So yeah, it was a good score. So you never know what you're gonna find or come across. So if it's some gold in the tooth, believe it, I'm taking it home. So yeah, get a safety deposit box so someone don't kick in your front door and try to rob your ass. Now in the junk removal game, you come across tools, safes, and guns.
And some of the treasures you come across, you might not want to keep, you might want to sell.
Like today, I sold a washer and dryer in 2 hours for $150.
Let us know some of the treasures you found and how much you've sold them for.
And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.
And keep watching, because we're getting ready to show you lots of things we've sold.